That's a conflict of interest if I see him in court, right? You would think so, right? You wouldn't want a judge you filed criminal charges against in your court case, would you?
No.
That's right. So he sends me down to Wilmer for a mental competency evaluation. Well, I hate to say it, but I passed with flying colors. In fact, I made it known to the psychiatrist that I was going to grill him on the witness stand because he was engaging in illegal psychiatric techniques on him. He was trying to do something called gaslighting, right? So he gave me a glowing report. Plus, I was licensed as a doctor in 2 different states at one time. So I'm not the stupidest person in the world, okay? But again, they're trumping up these charges against me, withholding evidence. Neil, the Tamperer, Nelson likes to obstruct justice because my evidence has been withheld, my evidence has been destroyed, tampered with, because they want to put me in jail to shut them up because I am exposing this local corruption. Here's me, and this is on my camera. John was there that day. We're handing information about Chad Larson. He's a former assistant Polk County attorney here in town. Okay? And Randy Shaw says that I'm a nutcase because I claim that Chad Larson sent me away from the Todd County jail. Well, John and I were up in Douglas County in March, and Chad admitted to doing it. You see what I'm saying? So how can I be a nutcase for saying something that Chad admitted to? And on top of that, the sheriff, former sheriff, said it's handing out propaganda. Well, if it was propaganda, why did Chad Larson admit to it then? We have it all in video, don't we, John?
Yep.
See? So they're just trying to cover this all up. See, it's a whole bunch of scandals that Neil Nelson's been involved with. The judge's wife assaulted me on the courthouse sidewalk last year because I was handing out information about local corruption, about how the sheriff was committing perjury and stuff like that. They didn't like that. And this is all covered up before the election because who would vote for Neil Nelson if they knew that he was covering this up? See what I'm saying? And plus, again, it's easy to win cases if you tamper with the evidence, if you withhold evidence, if you delay evidence. See, here's an order from the court saying that he's withholding evidence. He's not getting the evidence. That's a violation of my rights. See? Well, the judge is going right along with it. Because here's Neil Nelson sending my mail from Minneapolis. Why is my legal mail from Glenwood going to Minneapolis? It's to delay it so I don't get it on time. Because a lot of my evidence didn't show up until after my hearings. And then they can just say, well, you got it. See? But anyhow, that's what's going on in this lawless county here. See, it's same from the past. Here's Judge John Stashel, Chad Larson, and Tim Riley conspired to break in my house without a warrant, perjury, different things like that. Belvin Gobert and Tom Larson are all involved in it because they were the county attorney and sheriff at the time. See? And then here, this is me trying to file that criminal complaint in July. He refused to take my police report. That's a criminal act in itself. That's a year in jail. See, but what they do, they charge me with the crime. Say that I'm stalking and harassing. I'm going to file a criminal complaint. I have a right to be in a public building, don't I? I mean, you paid for that thing over there, didn't you? Don't you think you should be able to go and file a criminal complaint every once in a while? See? But that's the reality of the situation. See, because these people don't like the fact that I've been exposing corruption for years, and I have clear, precise, unquestionable evidence. They're all a bunch of criminals. All right? So that ends my spiel, so I'll let you go back to your work. Thank you so much.
Yep, bye-bye.
Bye now.